Hello. Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome back to my channel. My channel's all about cosplay! Okay, so today it's not a cosplay video, but I just wanted to play with some of my fabrics. I decided to make a dress late at night, right now. Right now the time is 3:46 a.m. here in Denmark on July 20th. And it's not because I don't want to make anything. I'm just so inspired. I was going through my stuff after one of my fabric hauls, and I'm just you know what, I really want to make something, so I want to use this fabulous material. I was thinking about doing a quick dress and something like that. So the video is literally 5-minute dress. Let's see how quickly we can do this. Yeah, let's go ahead. So the main thing is I'm going to be using this jersey fabric from my Best of Stoffa haul, and then I will be using really thick elastic. Okay, cool. Before I forget, please become a pin in my pin cushion called YouTube. And I mean, you know, I'm always sewing and I love taking ideas, and I need all my pins to be there. You know, that's stupid. You know, I don't know why I started saying that. I just thought it was really cute if all my subscribers were pins. And then I'm just well, every stitch stone needs to be placed there with a needle. I don't know. Okay, you know, it's late. Okay, let's get back into the DIY. First, assessing my fabric, I only have 1 meter. So I'm going to make a skirt by creating a square. In order for me to do that, I'm going to lay out my fabric first and then fold in one of the corners to create a triangle. Then smooth out all the bumps. Cut off the excess fabric once you're happy. Then fold it over again into a smaller triangle, then snip off the top. Don't cut it off too much because this is your waistband. You can't make it smaller, but it's easier to make it bigger. With the excess fabric, I'm going to be using the same pattern from my Clueless video. If you haven't seen it already, I dressed up as Cher from Clueless, and I drafted this really awesome pattern. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go do that now. This is the skirt. This is the top. Front bodice piece. Okay, let's put this together with the sewing machine. Yeah! Decided to recycle my scraps by cutting them into strips. I'm going to use these as my corset lacing on the sides of my dress. I really wanted some lacing and something fun and unique to this dress versus it being just a simple plain cut dress. Because this fabric does not fray, I didn't need to hem anything, and I'm not going to do that for my holes as well. So I'm just going to poke some holes with my scissors, and then I'm going to string the fabric through it. I still can go back and add some eyelets, but I think I really like the organic feel of the fabric just coming through itself. Alright, I have finished creating this dress. Can't wait to show you guys. Right now it is, okay, dark. And I forgot when we started this project. I'll type it in here somewhere when I'm editing this, but I wanted to show you that this dress is brand new, done, and complete. I didn't really have an idea of what I wanted to do, and you know, it kind of just came out. I'm pretty excited to try it out and wear it, and you know, this was just a quick little thing I just wanted to create. And sometimes you just get that spur of inspiration and you're just man, I want to do something. Speaking of that, I have all of these scraps left over. I'm not sure what I want to do with them. I was thinking about putting it in the top, but then I was like, but it's already such a busy material, so why should I do that? So this is a finished outfit. I did embellish it using a elastic. The elastic is great as a waistband point. I like it. And the sides, I didn't have enough fabric to close it off because I decided to make a hood. I made the hood have like this little ruffle. I don't think I like it, but oh well, it's there. I'm not gonna take it away. So yeah, the sides have now this corset part using scraps. I think it looks pretty cool, you know? It's got this like little detail. I was gonna put in like the eyelets, but then I realized this is like t-shirt material. I don't need eyelets, it'll be okay. So yeah, this is all of the scraps from 1 meter of fabric, and like look at that, it's just shredded. Like here's this one. Yeah, this is gonna break if I was going to use this for like the corset strap. This is too thin. I tested this and I did break it, so that's not gonna work. Those two are just definitely scrappies. And then these are just really small pieces. This is leftover from the hood, like edging. Another small little scrap here. I'm like, what do I want to do with these? Do I want to turn them into tassels? Do I want to? Like, it's a lot of material all right here, and just leftover cut from the actual big piece of material. And of course the last piece that came from the hood that I had to cut off. So I've used up a lot of it, and I'm really proud of myself, and I have this brand new dress. It's pretty exciting, right? I can't wait to wear it and show you guys. So wait, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I'm wearing the dress that I just made. Sorry for the pure boob shot. But I'm here with my friend Ra. You might have seen her from the Girl Gamer event that I was at earlier this year. And now we're at the beach! I've never been to a beach in Denmark. You've never? No. What? Ta-da! Why didn't you tell me? Happy birthday, me! This is so exciting. This is so exciting. That guy's windsurfing. This is so clean. Right now? Yeah, let's have some fun. Many thanks to Thomas Nielsen and Bogdan Kristinoy for taking these lovely pictures. I hope you guys found this video very inspiring. So, of course, stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!